How to enable dark mode on Duolingo. Hey language learners, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will see how we can enable dark mode on Duolingo for more comfortable language learning experience. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Duolingo app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. And once you are here, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom center of the screen, and this will take you to the profile page. And now here, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now here, as you can see, there isn't any dark mode option. So before, Duolingo used to have a dark mode feature, but after the update they have removed it. But don't worry, I can show you a round figure way to enable the dark mode on Duolingo. So simply scroll down from the up side of the screen to access the control center. And in here you can see the dark mode option. So simply tap on that to enable the dark mode. And by turning this on, you have successfully enabled the dark mode on Duolingo. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.